Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. 3 years after its last share offer, the JMMB Group is coming to market again, this time with the intention of raising $6 billion. The regional financial conglomerate will seek to raise the money through a new preference share offer that will open on Tuesday and is scheduled to close on March 9 or sooner if it is fully subscribed ahead of schedule. Now, the intention is to offer 2 billion cumulative redeemable preference shares at a price of $3 each, but JMMB says it could upsize the offer, of course, depending on interest, by another 1 billion shares. If that happens, then the total amount that will be raised will be $9 billion. JMMB Group CEO Keith Duncan says the proceeds will be used to support the company's expansion plan, both locally and regionally. Radio Jamaica Limited, the parent company of Television Jamaica, today reported $193 million in net profits for the 3 months October to December. The outturn was 60% higher than the prior year and resulted in cost cutting the group undertook to navigate the effects of the COVID pandemic. It said most of the impact was in the print division, which saw its revenues decline by 20%. In dollar terms, that works out to $145 million. The broadcasting division, however, fared better, seeing its revenues rising 5% or $46 million. Now, the Bank of Jamaica says despite the uncertainties created by the COVID pandemic, it expects inflation to remain in the targeted 4 to 6% range. Senior Director of Research and Programming at the Central Bank, Courtney Allen, says the projection should hold even though some prices could spike.
There is some upside risk to inflation from increases in international commodity prices and some expected regulated price adjustment. But Bank of Jamaica is constantly monitoring and assessing the economic developments and stand ready to act to provide the necessary support to the economy to keep inflation low, stable, and predictable.
Now, Mr. Allen said declines in the prices of food resulting from a recovery of the agricultural sector could also push inflation levels lower. He was speaking in the Central Bank's Inflation Watch program. The full interview is available on the bank's website. We go down to currency trading. On Friday, the US dollar inched up 10 cents, selling for an average $150.71. The Canadian is going for $119.69. The pound is up $1.15, selling for $207.08, while the euro is now selling for $186.11 more. The JSE index advanced by 4,304 points today, and the junior market index gained 7 points. Among the winners were Cygnus Credit Investments, Siboney Group, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, T-Tech Limited, and CAC 2000, 9.5%. On the losing side were Supreme Ventures, Paramount Trading, Main Event Entertainment, Blue Power Group, and Honeybun. And that's the Financial Week. International stories when we return.